With Production Assistant, we can install what we call KPIs wherever you want into your factory. The goal with the KPI is to measure your lines or your different departments with specific goals that they need to achieve in their day. As you're seeing right here, it's pretty much easy for people to see it. It's red if you're behind, green if you're on target. You can see exactly what is your percentage of what you are to your goal of what you need to achieve into your line. As you can see right here, our KPI is installed into the assembly line. So we're measuring once every product has been finished into the line, well, we see the number of these products increasing of what they have to do over there. Now, what's important is that you can install it being at the CNC or different type of department. You can install the KPIs that you wish everywhere, but at least it gives goal for everybody to achieve into their day. And your production manager with these KPIs can walk down and see exactly where he's behind and what type of action we have to do to achieve our goal that we have for today.